This precise repetition haircutting technique adds maximum weight in a strong square shape. Divide the hair into 4 quadrants, starting from the center of the fringe to the nape. The second parting extends from the highest point of each ear across the highest point of the head. Create a horizontal parting at the nape. Keep the head straight when cutting. Use the comb and shears against the hair's natural fall to avoid tension. Begin cutting in the center of the nape, working toward each side. Keep the head straight up and cut without tension, following the natural fall of the hair. Continue working along the horizontal line while following the natural curve of the head up to the occipital bone. To create a solid line, position your shears parallel to the ground. Create the next section across the widest part of the head. Hold the hair between your fingers to control this section. Continue working up the head toward the crown using the nape guideline. As you cut, use the previous haircutting line as your guide. Use the tip of the shears to release tension on the hair prior to cutting side sections. To avoid tension on the hair, use the comb to control the first subsection, and cut the hair using the hair's natural fall. Continue working up the side of the head toward the parietal ridge, making sure to cut below the fingers for precision. Continue working up the left side of the head until all of the hair is evenly cut. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side of the head. Use the fine tooth side of the comb for even distribution. Section the fringe horizontally. Use the comb control technique to create the fringe guideline. Starting at the center of the fringe, cut the fringe to the corner of the eyebrow. Using the comb control technique will help you avoid tension. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side of the head. Continue the process working horizontally until you reach your desired bang depth.